Okay, let's go, friends. Number 1, we need 4 corners. Jake, look, corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, yes. And corners, it is peach puzzles with 2 side lines. This and this. This peach puzzles, it's corners. And this peach puzzle, it's not corners. This not line. No, this one line, one side. 3 side, not line, and this is yes. It is line. Okay, I see corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Corners number 1. Okay, place this, and this. And I think so, maybe this. No, it's not right. I was wrong. Check, it's not right. Variance number 2. Oh no! It's not right. I was wrong. Sorry. Variance number 3. Oh! Sorry. What? Look, Jack. Woo! Yes. Yo ho! It is right. Yo ho! Okay, friends, corners number 2. We have 3 variants, and I think so. This peach puzzle, maybe this. Oh no, it's not right. Or this. Yes, look, friends, yo ho! It's right. It's right. Corners number 3. This or this? I think so. This. Oh no! No, it's not right. This. Woo! Yes! Yo ho! Jakey. We did it. Now we have 3 corners, and now we need 1 peach puzzles when 1 corners. This and place for him. This. Ta-da! Look, now we have 4 corners. All corners. Yay! Yo ho! You speak, yes? Okay, now we need all peach puzzles with 1 side line. This, and this. And I see, and I know we need peach puzzles with line this, right side. And I see peach puzzles with line this, and I think so. These peach puzzles for this plate. Okay, see. Woo! Yes! Look, it's right. Plates for these peach puzzles. Cool. This one and this is right variant. Now we need peach puzzles with line this. Left side, left line. I see peach puzzles with line, but I think so. It's not right, but okay. Look. You see, it's not right. Line need this. Okay. Jake, look, friends. It's line left side, and I think so. This peach puzzle for this plate. Woo! Yay! Yo ho! It's right. Cool. Now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. I see 1 peach puzzles and 2, and I think so. This peach puzzles. Not. No, it's not right. Or this. Woo! Yes. Cool. Amazing. And yo-ho! And these peach puzzles for this plate. Woo! Yes! Look, friends, it is children? 1, 2, 3. Maybe this. Well, children. 2 boys and 1 girls. Maybe. Okay. Now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. I see 1 peach puzzles and 2. These peach puzzles. This or this? This or this? I think so, this.
Woo!
Yes! Friends, yahoo! It's right. Cool. And these beach puzzles, only this.
Woo!
Yay! You did it! Jakey, look! Friends, look! We did it! We have now all beach puzzles with one sideline. This. And now we need only two beach puzzles in center. Okay, girl, this or this? Maybe this? No, it's not right. And now I see. I know. This beach puzzle for this plate. Okay, friends and Jackie. Look, what are you doing with this, Julian?
Captain Hook!
The great and And now that I'm here, I'll be taking this.
Oh, thank you, friends. Thank you. We did it. Yay, yo-ho. Okay, friends. If you liked it, please subscribe and like this video. And see you soon. Bye. Yo-ho.